Just wanted to share this with you in case someone is going through the same thing. You are not alone. It's okay. You can do it too. If I did it, if I did it, you can do it too, okay? I promise. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back, as you can see, after 6 months of me not posting, and I just wanted to make this really quick video, or actually I think I might vlog after this, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I am slowly coming back, adding more videos, more tutorials. Yeah, it's been 6 months, you guys. It's a long time, half a year, but I am slowly starting to get my life together. I don't want to go into specifics on why I have been gone, but I just have been busy with life, getting a new place, work, and just trying to get my life together. And yeah, so I think if you follow me on Instagram, you kind of know what I have been going through. But just really quick, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I recently got separated. I got divorced, and it's just been quite difficult for me. But at the same time, it was I think it was really needed. So it helped me get out of my comfort zone and just do things that I didn't think I would do before on my own. So yeah, you guys, so I've been working on myself and just trying to survive, so I had no time to do crochet or tutorials, but I really miss it, you guys. And I'm gonna start blogging more, and just things that I do throughout the day. And I have a really fun idea and project with a really close friend, and we just been brainstorming on what we want to do. But yeah, I've also been having ideas to post of what to post on here, and tutorials and all of that, and at the same time on my Etsy shop. So I'm just slowly adding new things. So if you want to check it out, I will leave the link. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I really missed you guys. Thank you guys for still watching. My keychain tutorial has been really popular, and I'm sorry about the beeping on the video. I know I had some comments on there that it was kind of annoying, but I was in like a different place where I was living, and I had like no access to change it. So I just kind of had to deal with that. But now we're good. No more beeping. And yeah, I'm working on a probably my next video is going to be a tutorial on how to do like the mesh stitch, because it's like super popular right now and it's really easy, you guys. So I will do that for you guys. All right, guys, so I'm about to head out, but before I go to work, I actually started doing Uber Eats on the side, just to get like a little extra of income. And I really recommend it, you guys. If you guys are like tight on money, you're a single mom like me, and you need like that how do you call it, that flexibility on the hours, on the flexibility on the hours, you should really try it. But yeah, I do that sometimes on my whenever I have time, and then I take my water and stuff with me, but I also take my crochet with me just in case I have like, it's kind of slow and I have nothing to do. So I also take it to work sometimes. But yeah, I've been working on this meshy. I got caught. Just a second. Okay, I finally got this whole thing figured out. So I'm working on this mesh here tutorial, and then I just started working on it. I didn't really have like something in mind, but then I realized that this could actually be like a really cute hair tie, and it's just like this long thing that you're going to do and then just tie a bow at the end. So if you guys are not familiar to my tutorials, I love simple things, fast, simple, but cute at the same time, you know, like, I don't know, I just like easy crochet tutorials. And yeah, that's pretty much what I love to make. I'm not really into like those complicated tutorials that last that take a really long time, just because my mind is like not. But if you like doing that, that's okay. But also if you like easy, this is the channel. All right, so I'm gonna do that, and let's see what else I can do throughout the day. Okay guys, so I decided to change my hair because I wasn't really feeling, I don't know, my hair the other way, but I'm always like that. And then I have it like this, and then I'll have it up because it bugs me. But you know, I think this is a little better. We're gonna see. Okay guys, so this is what I'm going to have. It's a tinga tostada, and I made that by myself. And just in case you guys don't know, I hate cooking, but now I have to cook to survive. But yeah, I don't know, I just go onto TikTok and look at really quick, easy recipes, you guys. Those are lifesavers if you don't like to cook like me, or if you like really quick stuff to make. But if you don't know what tinga is shredded chicken with chipotle sauce. It's really good, you guys. You guys need to try it. Now we're just waiting for coffee to be made, and we'll be ready to head out. You guys, after I pour this and I realize I have no sugar, my life is a mess like always, but it's okay. We're just gonna go with the flow and drink it like that. And here I'm heading to my car, and I just wanted to show you guys that I really need a new keychain. It's so dirty, but it is what it is. Alrighty guys, so now I'm in my car. I'm about to do Uber, but I can't really vlog it because I need my phone to do Uber, so we're just gonna have to not vlog that part. But right now it's like about 11:30ish, and I have to go to work around 3:30, so I'm gonna see how much money I can make. So yeah, also you guys, my car is about to die. I don't know how I'm surviving like this. The AC sucks, but I'm trying to save up money to get a new car, so hopefully I can do that. And I wanted to tell you guys a little fun fact about me. I barely got my license, you guys, this year, and it's something that I would be really embarrassed to tell you guys before, but now I'm actually super proud of myself that I was able to get my license, you guys, because, you know, by my age, I'm old. I'm considered old to get a license. So and I just turned 30, you guys. So the reason why was because I was always so scared to drive. I was terrified to drive. Just the thought of me driving was scary, and I was just so used to someone else driving me around. So I just got comfortable, and also like my personality was like, when I get scared about doing something, I avoid it at all costs. So I did not want to get my it's not that I didn't want to get my license. I was just so scared. But I am so proud of myself that I was able to get my license, and now I feel more free. So I just wanted to share this with you in case someone is going through the same thing. You are not alone. It's okay. You can do it too. If I did it, you can do it too. Okay, I promise. And don't be embarrassed. Just practice and go and get your license. So now we're good on my license. I am okay. I'm good. I'm good to drive. So that is something that I'm really proud of this year, that I was able to accomplish by myself. And yeah, you guys, I'm slowly coming back to feeling like myself. I was for a long time not feeling like myself, not feeling good, kind of sad, you know. And there's so many things that happened to me, but I'm slowly coming back. And I just wanted to say thank you guys so much, because every time I post a video, you guys show so much love here on YouTube, on my Instagram. And if you are new and you just discovered me, go ahead and follow me, because I'm on Instagram. I'm on there all the time. So yeah, I just wanted to share a little bit of positivity. I feel like I want to share something like that in every video, just to like give you guys some encouragement. If you're also like a single mom going through something like this and you feel alone, you're not alone. You can do it. So yeah, there's so many fun things coming, and thank you guys for your support. I love you. And I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.